Hello, it's me, Vasily. Today I'm trying something new. These are the top 6 thoughts I had this week. Thoughts that didn't quite make it into their own video. Like most things I buy, if I'm excited about the effects, I'm more likely to use it. My friend made me a shampoo. I have a lot of video games. Old ones, new ones. Some from my childhood. I think they have really good stories. I think they're fun to play. And I think that the more of them that are made, the less time I have to play. I want to get to know the stories. Some stories are just better when you play them through. Not like movies or TV or books. It's in your hands. I got Netflix to escape cable provider channel bundles. But with all the different streaming services now, it's kind of the same thing. I'm always trying to reinvent myself. I jump around from one idea to the other, going back and forth, and I never really settle on anything. I start so many things, and I don't know if I'll ever finish anything. My mind wanders easily, and I follow it. I'm worried that this is just going to keep happening. I'm going to spend my whole life just starting something new, starting another thing, and never really finishing anything. When I do finish anything, it doesn't really feel like it. Ash Ketchum doesn't really do anything to progress his own goals. At least, not the goals I thought he had. I think communication is important, but I think self-expression is more important. I don't really want to compromise myself for the sake of being understood by somebody. I don't think I have to. I hope you enjoyed these thoughts. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.